welcome to Flying High with Ayana B. And today, what I wanted to do is take you along with me as I am prepping for my 10-day vacation. And I am celebrating my 40th birthday, y'all. I am walking into a new decade, a new season, and I am so excited. So I will be traveling on a cruise and on land. So I'll be staying in Miami a day before and a day after. But today, what we are about to do is we're about to see how I get ready for my vacation. I've already did my hair day, which was yesterday, and now I'm about to go and do my spa day for my nails and my toes. So come along, y'all. So, I think I'm gonna go with I think it's gonna be like 42 for my toes. And then I like this color, which I think it is gonna be about 77 for my nails. Very much relaxing. Oh. How are you? Yeah, Thank you so much. I'm sitting in some hot wax, getting ready to get a hot towel. Almost done with the pedi, then on to my nails. Ooh, this is very much needed. Mani pedi, spa day. Well, haven't got my nails done yet, but I'm headed that way. Very much relaxing. Steam is coming from the towel. This feels so good, y'all.
jet polish is going to be $25. Thank you. Have a good day. Yes, we do. But the duck now, the duck shape going to be $10 more. Yeah, around $60. Yeah.
All right, y'all. So I just left getting my nails, and I must say I've been in there for 12:30, and it's 4 o'clock. That's a long time to be in the nail shop, but I must say it was very much relaxing. I love my toes and licking my nails. Ew. She about to be fly. Yeah, sorry, y'all. So I'm super excited. Now I am out for the rest of the day. So y'all have a great day.